Meaning of electrical engineering.
Electrical engineering.
Electrical engineering.
Electrical engineering.
Electrical engineering. Electrical engineering is a field of engineering that focuses on the design, development, and testing of electrical equipment and systems. This can include anything from power generation and distribution to electronic circuits and communication systems. Electrical engineers use principles of physics and mathematics to analyze and design these systems with the goal of improving efficiency, reliability, and safety. The work of electrical engineers has played a crucial role in shaping modern society, as their innovations have led to advances in industries such as telecommunications, transportation, and energy production.